Hello there guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are flying in the B-1b Lancer, and we're gonna do a weird little spin-off thing. We're gonna actually be flying against with a bunch of missiles rather than bombs. So as you can see here, we have a bunch of Phoenixes loaded up, and we are gonna try to do some standoff with a bomber. Because with these missiles range, we might just be able to do that, actually. So, we'll turn on the swarm. Oh, by the way, we're going against 10 big 23s. We're just gonna see how this goes. If it doesn't go very well, I will not be surprised at all, actually. But we're gonna try to just do everything well as we possibly can. Okay, we're getting kind of close, I think. About 30 miles, actually. That's 5 Fox 3s. That should give them something to think about. Just lock onto a different target. There we go. Full afterburners. Pulling away. Yep, they're all coming straight towards me. Probably a high confirmation kill. Let's see. Can't see anything so far with this missile. But it's going somewhere by the looks of it. Whether or not they actually hit, we'll have to see. Ooh, I think we have a hit on at least one of them. Yep, we have one kill. So, yes, there we go. Maybe that's a second kill there. Let me check his behavior. Oh, yep, kill 2. That's definitely a second kill. Alright, well, let's turn back on him and give him another face full of Phoenixes. Probably about 20-30 miles out. This is kind of playing it dangerous, actually, but not much I can do. They probably aren't going to shoot at that range. They're probably going to wait till about 10 miles to shoot. That's what I've noticed most of the time before. Approximately 20 miles right now, so I'm going to shoot off a round of Phoenixes. Fox 3, Fox 3, Fox 3, Fox 3, Fox 3. So of that last batch, 2 of them seem to have hit. So we'll see how these do. Oh, they're getting close. Probably gonna have some missile shots, actually. Oh, they're directly on my tail. I need to get away from them a bit. I think we might have some hits, actually. Ooh, that's a perfect hit right there. Oh, ooh, 2 kills in a row. And that, yeah. That was a fairly deadly volley by the looks of it. We have a few planes out of my... that's a kill, that's a kill. Those 2 are hits. So there's only 3 left that I haven't killed, I think, maybe. That might be not true, though. So far, I haven't seen any missiles come for me. Although I haven't really been watching very much. I've kind of been more into the Okay, we're going away a bit. Okay, so we got 4 that we haven't killed yet. Okay. Alright, let's turn back on him. Pick up a new lock. And I might be wrong with the amount of kills I've got. Easily could miscalculate. Alright, let me send off some missiles. Ooh, I might be out of missiles. Oh, yep. Alright, we're out of missiles by the looks of it. So that's our mission. We'll see how those missiles fare. Oh, and we got killed, but I saw a splash in the distance. How about this missile? Oh, that one missed. But yes, that's a kill right there. So yeah, overall, worked pretty well, but in the end, I just got too close, and so they shot me down. Other than that, though, it actually worked better than I kind of thought it would. But anyway, bye guys. Peace out.